If you're seeing Epic Games error code 429, it usually means the launcher or client is sending too many requests too quickly, and Epic is temporarily rate limiting your connection. The good news is that in many cases you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes by clearing the launcher cache and giving the service time to reset. In this video, I'll walk you through the safest step-by-step method to fix Epic Games error code 429, and I'll also show you the one thing you should avoid so you don't make the cooldown last even longer. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes. Let's get into it. First, make sure the Epic Games launcher is fully closed. Don't just minimize it. Look down in the system tray at the bottom right of your screen, where the small background app icons are. If you see the Epic Games logo there, right-click it and choose Exit. This is important because if the launcher is still running in the background, it can keep trying to communicate with Epic servers and keep the error going. Next, we're going to clear the corrupted network cache that can cause this issue. Press Windows key and R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type %local AppData%, then click OK. This takes you directly to your local AppData folder, where Windows stores application files and cache data. Inside that folder, look for Epic Games Launcher and open it. Then open the folder called Saved. Once you're inside Saved, look for a folder named Webcache. Right-click it and delete it. If you also see similar folders like Webcache_4147 or any other Webcache variants, delete those too. These folders can hold old or corrupted launcher data, and deleting them forces Epic Games Launcher to rebuild fresh cache files the next time it starts. After deleting the cache folders, restart your computer. A full restart helps make sure any leftover background processes are cleared out completely, and it gives your system a clean slate before you try launching Epic Games again. Now for the part many people skip. If you've been repeatedly clicking sign in, refreshing, or trying to reconnect over and over, stop doing that immediately. The most effective way to clear a 429 error is often time. Epic is rate limiting your requests, so every extra attempt can keep extending the cooldown period. Close both the game and the Epic Games launcher completely, then wait a full 15 to 30 minutes without trying to connect to any Epic service. That waiting period gives the security throttling time to reset on its own. After the cooldown is over, open the launcher again and try signing in normally. In many cases, the error will be gone once the cache is cleared and the rate limit has expired. If the issue is still there after that, repeat the cache deletion one more time. Make sure the launcher is fully closed and give it another short wait before trying again. But in most situations, this combination of clearing the webcache folder and letting the rate limit expire is enough to fix Epic Games error code 429. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more fast fixes for Epic Games, Windows and PC gaming issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.